If you've ever accidentally deleted photos from OneDrive, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted photos in OneDrive step by step, and I'll also explain an important limitation you need to know before it's too late. This is a quick and easy process, and if you follow along carefully, you can restore your photos in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go directly to onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for OneDrive. This is very important because you need to be signed into the same account where the photos were deleted. If you log into the wrong account, you may not see the deleted files you're looking for. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see a section called Recycle Bin. Click on that. The recycle bin is where OneDrive stores deleted files before they are permanently removed. This is the first place you should check anytime you need to recover a deleted photo. Once the recycle bin opens, browse through the deleted items and look for the photos you want to bring back. If you have a lot of files in there, scroll carefully or use the available options to help you identify the right images. Take your time here because you want to make sure you restore the correct photos and not something else by mistake. When you find the deleted photos you want, select them by clicking the checkboxes next to each file. You can choose one photo or multiple photos at the same time, depending on what you need to restore. If you deleted an entire album or several images together, you can select them all in one go. After selecting the photos, look at the top of the page and click Restore. OneDrive will then move those files back to their original folder automatically. This means the photos should return to the same location they were in before they were deleted, which makes it easy to continue working without having to sort everything manually. Once the restore process finishes, go back to your OneDrive folders and confirm that the photos are back where they belong. If the files were successfully restored, you should be able to open them normally just like before. It's always a good idea to double check everything so you know the recovery worked. Now here's the important part you really need to know. If your deleted photos are no longer in the recycle bin, then they may not be recoverable through OneDrive anymore. In other words, once files have been deleted from the recycle bin and permanently removed, they can no longer be restored through this method. That's why it's a good idea to check your recycle bin as soon as possible after deleting something by accident. So to recap, open OneDrive, sign in with the correct Microsoft account, click Recycle Bin, find your deleted photos, select them, and hit Restore. That's the fastest way to recover deleted photos in OneDrive and get them back into your account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.